Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplens.com. My name is Saurabh Singho and these are the series of interviews that we are conducting for the promotion of excellent startups across our country. Now, the very first thing that comes in our mind, why we should watch these interviews. You should watch these interviews if you are a job seeker, if you are an investor, or if you want to particularly know the merits and demerits of a particular startup. We provide you some excellent experiences from which you can learn, and that too free of cost. In today's interview, we have Mr. Ashish Patil, who is a software engineer by education and profession. He is very much passionate about software products to emerge from India. He is very much analytical, optimistic, and enthusiastic about life. He is very patient and endurance to build one of the most trusted, successful brand for businessmen, professionals, and investors. BusyDoctor Technologies is a technological company which helps doctors to transform them from busy to easy. It is like MS Office intended for office automation. So BusyDoctor Clinic Management System product is for doctors' practice to digitize their day-to-day activities in clinic in a paperless mode. So, very good morning, Mr. Ashish Patil. We are very happy to have you here. So the very first question for you is, how did you come up with the idea of your startup?
Basically, our startup is into healthcare IT. We have a software which helps doctors to manage patients' healthcare records. They so typically it is known as a EMR software, electronic medical record software. This idea has been in the market since very long, and it has been more from the popular with the Western countries, and from there we borrowed this idea. But the difference with the EMR softwares, which are more westernized and compared to the Indian style of working, is that in foreign countries the OPDs, the patients, doctors see very few patients in a day, whereas in India, doctors have a typical OPD of 80 to 100 patients in a day. So our style of working is very busy practice. So we wanted all the doctors over here wanted a software which will cater to their style of functioning, like they can speedily work on the software as well as their data would be maintained properly and the speed of their practice won't be affected. So we developed a software which would help enhance their practice rather than keeping or slowing down their practice. That way we came up with the idea.
Very nice idea. So what was the most difficult part in the early stages of your company's growth?
The most difficult part was convincing doctors to transform their practice, which they are doing it manually, manual record keeping, to a digitized version, keeping the records digital. This was the most difficult part, convincing doctors to move to a digital platform.
What was the gap in the market that you identified?
The gap in the market was that there were not there were softwares which were not developed from doctors' point of view. Softwares were there were mostly developed from the software developers' point of view, and hence the doctors were facing a lot of difficulties while using the existing softwares that were there in the market. So we sat with the doctors almost a year, got their inputs, and iterated our software, and then we came up with a good product.
That's very impressive. Can you now please explain your business model?
So our business model is subscription based, as well as software as a service kind of system, wherein we provide software along with the customization of the software, and we charge for our services that way.
That's very nice. So what are the products and services that you offer?
So the product which we offer is the our product name is known as Busy Doctor. So the software which makes a busy doctor's life easy is a Busy Doctor software. So that is the product which we offer, and along with that, services which we offer are the customized softwares along with this product, as well as a website development and digital marketing services along with the software we offer to the doctors.
Now, tell us what are your target customers?
Our customers are basically OPD practitioners, uh, allopathic doctors who have a OPD practice of around 40 to 50 patients minimum in a day, right from the tier 3 cities to tier 1 cities.
Okay, why do your customers choose your product and services and why do they order again?
Okay. Why they choose our products is because we have had a very good rapport with our existing customers and have developed a very cordial relationship with the existing customers. Uh, Secondly, the services we provide are no question asked services. We provide all the customizations that are required to them. And secondly, why do they order again? Is basically because they are happy with our existing services and our pricing model, which is very affordable compared to the market prices.
Okay, what are three unique things that make you better than your competitors?
Yeah. The unique thing is that we offer offline softwares also, wherein today all over the market there is a boom of online and cloud-based softwares. So we offer a unique option of an offline software also. Secondly, we offer a lot of customizations as per their requirement. These two things have been unique.
The next question is why a job applicant will work with you?
Why should a job applicant work with us is because we provide a very free environment to for their growth as well as for their new ideas to come up with their new ideas, and they can implement their new ideas also. Thus, work pressure is not as per the corporate culture. That
Now, we would like to know if it was not for your company, what would you be doing now?
if I had not been to business, I would still be doing software development in some of the big corporates also.
Okay, what are the products and services you constantly require for your business?
Yeah, we require digital marketing services for us and for our clients. Uh, the messaging services, SMS, WhatsApp, and other social media marketing services we require. And products are basically web hosting and domain registrations and all those products we require.
Now, tell us uh, on which parameter do you select your vendors and suppliers? Is it on basis of price, quality, or convenience?
Convenience is a major factor, and second comes the quality as well as the pricing also.
Very nice answer. Now, we would like to know what are the recent and long term plans for your startup?
Recent plan is to we have been developing softwares as per the specialty of doctors. In dermatology field, we have been number one for past many years. We have developed softwares for other specialties like orthopedic, gynecologists, pediatric, and psychiatrists. So our immediate target is to have 500 customers in each of these specialties other than dermatology. And long-term target is to have a software just like MS Office has been for office automation. we should have our clinic management system software or a EMR software which we are offering as a replacement for their clinic automation. So our software should be able to replace all their clinic automation activities in the clinic.
Very nice plan. Are you raising external funds or willing to raise in near future?
Yeah, we are planning to raise funds in the near future.
Now, the final question. What is your feedback about Startup Lens?
Startup Lanes has been a very supportive community. I had attended their meetup, which was held in Mumbai uh, before this lockdown started. The referrals and that come up in the WhatsApp group have been very useful. Uh, Especially Shishir Gupta has been a very active leader and has been proactively working for the upliftment of our community. So I'm very thankful for Startup Links for that thing as well.
Thank you, Mr. Ashish Patil. It was a pleasure talking to you. Your visions and experiences will definitely help upcoming entrepreneurs. Have a good day.